Guys, I'm very excited because I received this hard case for my Marshall Major 4 over the ear headphones. So you can see it's a perfect fit. Take it out, and it has like this little fur that is very soft, so it won't damage your headphones. I liked it because it's hard, and it has this little pouch here to put the cables, the charging and the auxiliary cord. Like the design, it's very minimalistic, and you can use this to hang them or use a little cord to take it with you. The zipper is smooth and it's on the inside. It looks cleaner on the outside, like the red color that it has. So yeah, I didn't have one and it was a bit complicated to take my Major 4 headphones with me to any part that I was going to go, but now I can take them with me any place that I want to go, and I'll make sure that they are safe, that they won't get damaged, and yeah, they're perfect. I like that you can difference the inside from the outside with the different colors, and yeah, it's quite nice.